Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 1.5 litre TSI Match Evo 150 PS. Now the car is looking great and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, lane assist, park assist with a rear view camera, silver roof rails, front and rear parking sensors, hill hold control and 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels. The boot's huge and it comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior is 3-zone climate control, Volkswagen media control and an 8-inch colour touchscreen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.